We're checking out today the X660 round drone for kids of all ages. So let's open up the box, give you a demonstration, show you what you get inside. The X660 is a round drone. It has light effects. The drone is size of my hand. It's about 3.5, 4 inches in diameter. A nice close-up look at the drone. SYMA on top, your red charge indicator and multicolor LEDs. You have a USB-C charging port area, and you have a on and off switch located on the opposite side with the D6 motors, prop A and B, and the bottom of the drone. Inside the box is going to be your parts and accessories and controller. Inside this box will be a screwdriver, propellers, and USB-C charging cable. You have your controller without 4 AAA batteries not included. A caution guide for batteries and a multi-language instruction guide to control your drone and get you started. Your landing gear, your precision Phillips screwdriver. A sticker that is removable. Plugging in your USB-C charging cable to the drone. Charging up your drone takes up to 40 minutes of charge time with the red indicator that will go off. For propellers, 2 A's, 2 B's. Change out the propeller, remove the 4 screws. The screwdriver is also to change out the 4 AAA batteries, not included. To set up and fly your drone, as simple as turning on your transmitter, putting the on switch, go up and down on the left stick. To calibrate is down and towards the left. To start the engines is down and in. To shut it off, down and in. To go up and take off, left stick. To go down, on the stick. To auto take off, press in this button here. To auto land, press on it again. To change the lights, you press on this stick and move this. That's your light effect. Or simply keep on pressing on the stick, short presses. To trim, long press, and then adjust your trim sticks. To do flips, to do clockwise and counterclockwise in circles, these 2 sticks. We're going to do a flight, try to demonstrate in a small area, and maybe go outside and do a flight with no wind. We're going to give it a little flight, bring it towards the camera, show you what this is about. To do a flip, press the button. That'd be the second button. A flip again. To do a flip, it's the second right button. Long press and flip. To do circles, hold the button. Hold the button opposite way. To do rotation circles, hold the button. When let go, it'll do 1 circle. To do speeds, there's 2 speeds, that'd be faster. Run time is 7 minutes. Lights out. Lights on top is purple, green, red, and so forth. If you're looking to fly an indoor drone, this one may be right for you. It's a soft, flexible drone that you could bounce around. I hope you enjoy your RC X660 drone. Thank you very much for viewing.